Okay, today on the Ben Teaches Us How to Make Breakfast show, Ben teaches us how to make breakfast. Cool. First things first, you need half an apple. So on 3 Weeks to Shredded, it says mixed berries. You can do mixed berries, that's fine. They give you the apple later post-workout, but I like to have the crunchy, chewy-ish feeling in my breakfast bowl, so I swap out mixed berries for later post-workout, and then I eat the apple now. Okay. Then you take, this is 1/4 of a cup. It's a scooper, but for this week you get 1/3 of a cup, so you're gonna take like a heaping spoonful from 1/4 of a cup and insert into your bowl. Okay. This is a 1 tablespoon measurer. You're gonna take 2 of these chia seeds, 2 scoops, and then 3 scoops of hemp seeds. Whoops. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Then you're gonna take your almond butter. This is where you can get a little, let's say, liberal with your 1 tablespoon size. So try to restrain yourself to an actual tablespoon and not like, some 3 tablespoon. Let that go into the bowl. This is obviously your fat piece. There's 1. You get 2 glorious tablespoons. Done. And then cinnamon yourself. There's no calories in cinnamon, so cinnamon to your own preferred taste. I can't tell you how much that is for you. Only you can know that. And then I have some boiling hot water. We're gonna put that on top. That should be enough. It doesn't take too much. What you don't want to do is over water, because then it just becomes like a swamp, and nobody likes a swamp in their mouth. Or so I've been told. I've never met anybody that wants to be having a swamp in their mouth. Mix that up and then let it sit for like a minute or 2, so that all of the absorption type ingredients like chia seeds and Europran, they could do their job. And this was an episode of Ben Teaches You How to Make Breakfast.